A rotary drilling rig is a piece of heavy machinery used in the oil and gas industry for drilling wells. It is designed to create holes in the ground by rotating a drill bit, which can vary in size depending on the requirements of the project. Rotary drilling rigs are capable of drilling through various types of rock formations, allowing for the extraction of oil, natural gas, or water from deep underground. These rigs are typically mounted on trucks or trailers for easy transportation to different drilling sites.